What's up, guys? I have been working outside all day today, so I'm filthy. Please excuse me. But I was gonna propagate this arborvitae, and I wanted to show you how I propagate arborvitaes. This is the way I've learned how to do it and have had some success. If you have another way to do it, then please take a video and share it with me, and I'd love to try it out. But this is how I do it. First, the growing medium that I use is a lot of sand. And then I use some peat or some sort of soil like 50-50 or topsoil or something, but mostly sand if possible. And then I take my cutting, just take a regular cutting like this, and I like this one because it has lots of offshoots, because what you want to do is you want to take your cuttings with a heel, and what that means is you're going to take this little guy and you're going to rip it off. And when you do that, you get this little sliver. And that little sliver is part of the parent plant. So I'm going to cut that down just a little bit. So it's about that big. And then I'm going to cut some of this foliage off. Less water that it has to absorb to root all that. And then it's about like that. And then, actually, you know what? Let's get a little bit more of that. I'm gonna have like a nice end right here. So this is perfect. See that? Little Christmas tree. And then take your rooting hormone powder this time. I usually use Dip and Grow, and for arborvitaes, I think I do it at 10 times. But today I am in a hurry because I cut these at a customer's and I wanted to get them potted up. This variety is a some sort of arborvitae with some gold in it, like on the tips, and I liked it, so I asked if I could take a cutting, and she said yeah. Alright, so she's got the rooting hormone on there now, and now I just, like any other propagation, just stick it in the pot about that deep, and I'm gonna put about 4 more in here. So now I am gonna leave it alone, but I'm gonna move it to a shadier area under dappled light, under my pine trees. And usually it takes, I believe it took about 2 to 3 months for my other arborvitaes to start showing some roots. So there you have it. That's how I do it. Take a heel with your cutting and use sand as much as possible. I don't know why they like it. I guess they like the drainage, but sand and take a heel with your cutting. Those are the 2 most important things that I would recommend when you're trying to pot up some arborvitaes.